Okay, so this time they actually give it to us mapped and they're saying which one is going to take and move triangle A, so triangle A is in red, onto its image, which is triangle B. So which one is going to make us go from A to B? So let's start to play around. So if we reflect over the x-axis, and I can erase these, if we reflect over the x-axis, we'd walk in 2 and then out 2. Should probably use green. We'd walk in 2 and then out 2, and we'd walk in 6 and then out 6. So our triangle would look something like this. And now a reflection over the y-axis, it should flip. It should look different. The orientation didn't change, it just slid. So that will not work. So I'll erase that and say choice A does not work. Okay, a translation of 8 units down and then a reflection. So if I go down 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, everybody moves down 8. So I'll do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so if it reflects, it's going to flip over, but you can see that the skinny side is at the top. So that will also not work. So it's reflecting over the y-axis. So we're going to say no. A reflection over the x-axis and then a translation. Okay, so that is going to flip us upside down. So I'll go and land right here and here and here. And I want to translate, which means slide 6 units to the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh, that looks promising. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the last one, of course. So it will be choice C.